All right, we're running it back.
Dude, I like this. I like this mode a lot, so I'll play it all night. As long as you don't keep running into trolls like that.
Well, see, I don't even think he was trolling, man. I'm just like, here's how good I am. I'm gonna score twice, and then I'm gonna score on you guys twice just because I can. Like that's some
And his score
scary
is
shit.
420.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
All right,
2K
we'll
with
see.
MVP. Damn. All right, I'll take that.
When did 720p again? Oh.
All right, well, we need. Yeah, Pug needs to ready up. Okay, we're good. I'm striking. And they swiped it.
I got it.
Good pass.
Should have punted it. Okay, I'm punting it.
Yep.
Well, that works too.
Ooh, that almost sent him in. Hey, there we go.
Oh,
Ooh.
okay.
Okay. Nice.
Cool. I don't know what that was, but
And you're clear. You're clear. You're clear. Nice. Oh
uh,
God, I almost picked that up too for 6 or 7.
No.
Oh, he threw it. He threw it.
oops. Z, I swear at one point one of us had a username of Sofa King.
I got it.
Yeah,
Push
man.
right. Push right. Push right. Ooh, shit.
Boom.
You got AFK or something? What the hell was that? Nice.
Less nice. Ah, I should have just punted it.
It's alright, man. You got greedy. Happens.
Just gonna go forward.
Okay.
Wedge him. Wedge him. No. Nah. What?
Yeah, these guys are just. I know that they're much better than us. Even though we had the last win. Hitman Mario, this is like child's play to him. He's just barely taking it seriously.
I I guess. I don't see that.
Push right, push right.
I know what this game's like when people are that much better than me.
Oh, fuck you. Okay, fine. Maybe the team's not better than us, but Marino's better than anybody.
I'll accept that.
Call it.
Fuck, wedge.
Fine.
Look at
Yeah.
Nice. That works. Hell yeah. Good pass.
Almost got it.
Yep.
take the points. What they say? Okay.
I think I might be able to get that. Ah, that works. That's
Oh,
fine.
nice.
Yep. I was trying to pick it up.
Okay, all right. Here's the situation. You have to throw it. You have to throw it against these guys. Like, you're not gonna like run one in on Hitman.
Yeah, that was the thing. I almost
Yeah,
caught
you
up
have
to the
do
ball.
that or, like,
So
pass it to somebody. Yeah, you have to like, or like, we gotta start actually setting up people to go in.
oh,
goal.
Z. Nice. All right. Okay.
This is the one I'm talking about. They're weak to the pass. They're weak to it. You have to throw it.
All right, here we go. You know, they never said Dan Marino was any good at cornerback.
Well, he never won a Super Bowl, but that didn't mean he's not a Hall of Famer.
Dan Marino won like 4 Super Bowls.
No, he didn't.
Who am I thinking of?
Someone else. Dan Marino.
Oh, Joe
never
Montana.
won
My
shit.
bad. Sorry, Joe
17-0.
Montana. Joe Montana. That's who I was thinking of, my brother. I'm sorry. Right? He played
my
for
bad.
49ers, had like 4 Super Bowls.
Sure.
You know-
Well, yeah. Joe Montana won a bunch of bullshit.
That's
Dan
what- that's
Marino.
what I meant, my bad.
He's the best QB who never won anything, man. He's like Allen Iverson.
You know who also never
he's,
won a Super Bowl? A linebacker who is one of the greatest linebackers of all time? Dick Butkus.
That's right. Pass it. Pass it.
I was in there ready to do it. Son of a bitch.
See, dude, like he just backed. He like came out of the net and then backed into it just to like fuck with us. Watch this shit. I'm just gonna swerve
I
around
hit
you.
him. I
Whoop,
hit
let me just
him.
reverse in. It's like God.
Like, dude.
TK, you are overhyping this dude. He's
No.
not that. He got
No.
accidentally turned around, and the best option was to go in backwards.
I
You're
don't know,
overhyping
man.
this
I
dude.
think this guy's a fucking maniac. And you know, another perfect pass for him. You know, it's whatever.
Yeah, well, crazy. A pass that bounced, he threw in the direction of the goal. Goals that we've both made several times.
Go right.
before.
Go right. And he's just gonna score again. You know.
Wow. Who'd he steal it from?
Me.
You let him steal it, TK.
No,
So
I
desperate
didn't.
for-
No, come on, dude. Don't sell that shit. Come on.
Okay, just
Well,
go pass it. Just go left and pass it. Pass it.
Oh, I stole it from my fucking arm while trying to pass it. Okay. No. Uh-oh. Nope.
I'm hitting him. I'm banging him. I'm banging things.
Throw it. Uh,
Just throw it. Throw it. Yep.
Fuck. Oh, up yours, Sam. Pick the god. You were... Fucking Hitman was carrying the shit.
I'm down for whatever. I'd play him again just because we won game 1. Get the best of 3.
I just don't see us winning. Well, some of the guys already left, so.
Alright, let's just ready up. Let's see if Cougar wants to party up.
The AI, yeah, we'll see. Let's just get Dan Marino. That'd be fucking fantastic.
Immediately spawns and scores a goal for the other team.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oops, sorry, I messed up our team around.
Oh, Z, you should have ran that. I think you would have had it, my brother. Hey, that works.
That's all right. That's okay. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
I should have.
It's really tough to throw it in from the paint. But I think if you like, I don't know. It's a tough. I mean, it's tough on purpose.
You're clear. You're clear,
Wide open
Z.
field. Look, that guy just got boomed.
Oh, I almost picked it.
Oh, nice.
That works,
Yeah,
that works.
that's okay. That's okay.
DSG. Yeah, he was ready for it.
That's the O lineman pushing the pile right there.
I got demoed on that one.
Ain't bad. It's
Yeah, ball respawned behind me. Oh well. Call it.
Left. I'm gonna throw it too. I'm gonna throw it. Oh no, he boomed me. Oh my god.
And there goes that lead. Just
that's such as gridiron, man. How about like, whoever catches it, except for this time. Next time it's kicked off to us, the person who catches it just stay back while the other 3 work their way towards the goal and just kind of do a screen almost, like just throw it over the pile.
I like that idea. We're getting fucking owned on the kickoff. Like, Jesus fucking Christ. Like, we can't
wow,
let that
he threw it.
happen. I'm throwing it. We have to have better strategy on the kickoff. Oh my god. Yeah.
I threw it in for some reason. Oh, and lag. Cool. Man, I don't got lag.
Right. Go
sit back, you got
left. Go left. That didn't work at all. He charged me. Okay, bounce it out left.
Well, I got 2 demos out of it, so that's something. Just keep staying left. My God, just keep going.
Push the file.
I mean, it worked better than last time.
I tried, yeah.
guess.
I hit a few
don't know.
guys. Oh, there goes our buddy.
Alright, Z.
We have to throw it somewhere.
Oh, the AI got it.
Oh no. I mean, dude, like, that is such fucking bullshit right there. Like, are you serious?
That's the AI.
Yeah, our AI made zero attempt to like do anything
Well,
with that.
he got
I got
replaced
it.
like
I got
right
it.
that second, I think.
Okay, throw it somewhere, please.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god,
Alright.
dude.
So here's what's gonna happen. Here's what's gonna happen. I think I should get it now. I'm just
Thro-
gonna throw it immediately.
yes.
It'll catch him off guard. I'm gonna throw it. I'm not
I
gonna.
got it. I got it.
And
I'll
just
throw it
immediately
left.
throw it to the left.
Fuck, I got immediately picked off.
There we go. So that way, it's at least.
At least
Not immediately on.
yeah, immediately scored on.
It gets the pressure on their side. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, sorry, bro.
Throw it.
Throw
It's
it.
right on your ass.
Throw
Right
it.
on your ass. Oh, wow.
Ah.
Fuck, I almost had that.
Ah. Oh. All right. Little momentum, little momentum.
Only 3 possessions, baby.
We
Because
have
he's the AI.
to pass more. We have to pass
Alright,
more.
No, I'm trying to get possession. Oops, sorry. Oh my god. Fucking bullies.
God, I cannot touch the ball for a fucking... God damn.
Yeah. Hey, I mean, that's football. Times you just can't do anything.
I mean, like, okay, so like our guy gets the ball, he doesn't do anything with it, and we get fucking scored on immediately. You have to pass that ball. The second it touches your hands and someone's charging you with like that, you have to pass it.
So tell us how you really feel, Z.
I mean, that's a free 7. That's free 7 right there.
And now it's the AI. What the fuck? Why is
I
it
mean,
doing
well,
the
yeah,
same
yeah,
both
like,
times?
yeah, like, what the fuck, man? Like, yeah, cool.
Literally,
Okay,
it just
yeah,
kicked it off with the
okay.
same two twice.
Yeah, yeah, cool, man. Very cool.
Alright, if it happens again.
I mean, it's AI on a brand new mode. What are you going to do, you know? It's just... It's a shame. I think I might... Oh, I'm not getting it. Oh, Merlin gets it. All right.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to steal it from
Third
Merlin
time in a
real
row.
quick.
Give me the damn ball. All right, let's take a cool off breather. We'll
Yeah, I'm going to grab a
Deep
beer and
breath.
smoke real quick. But we can watch that one always on replay if you want to, so it'll be on TK's YouTube channel.
Fuck that shit.
And you can hear your commentary tomorrow.